Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 6 whole and parts fractions 6th part. In previous class we discussed the how to subtract a same denominator and or a different denominator. Today we will again discuss how to subtract whole number and a fraction. Then first we write 7 minus 1 by 4. This is whole number. 7 is a whole number, then 1 by 4 is a fraction. How to subtract a whole number and a fraction? First we write 7. There is no denominator here. You put 1. Understand it? Then minus 1 by 4. Understand you? There is no denominator here. You put 1. This is now our denominator is 1. Then 7 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Now look here, the denominators are different. First we find the LCM. LCM of 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Here 1 is 1, then here first prime number 2, 1 as it is, right. How many times gone here? 2 times. Again 2 gone, 1 as it is, then 1. Our LCM is 2 2 ja 4. LCM is equal to 4. Understand you? LCM is equal to 4. Now next step, first we write our fraction 7 by 1, then LCM divide by each denominator. That is 4 divided by 1. You get a 4. Then multiply by numerator and denominator. Then 1 by 4 multiply. 4 divided by 4, 1. Then you multiply. 7 4 ja 28. Then 4. 1 1 ja 1, then 4. Now we subtract this number. 28 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 27 upon 4. Which fraction is this? Improper fraction. First you convert this number improper into mixed, that is 6 3 by 4. Our answer is 6 3 by 4. Now how to subtract mixed fraction with a mixed fraction? 3 1 by 4 minus 2 1 by 8. Listen, how to subtract mixed fraction and a mixed fraction? First you convert mixed into improper. Then what is the formula? Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator. That is 3 4 ja 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4 minus 2 8 ja 16. 16 plus 1 17. 17 by 8. Now look here. Here the denominators are same? No. First we find the LCM. Here 4 and 8. Okay. Then First prime number is 2. The table of 2, how many times gone here? 2 times here, here 4 times. Again 2 go, 1 times 2. Again 2, 1, 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. LCM is equal to 8. Next step, you say the next step. LCM divide by each denominator. This is now our fraction. 13 by 4 multiply 8 divide by 4. We get 2. 2 by 2. Then 17 upon 8 multiply. 8 divided by 8, 1 is equal to 26 upon 8, here 17 upon 8. Now minus this. 26 by 8 minus 17 by 8. Then 26 minus 17 by 8. Then our answer is 6. 7 take away from 6. This is possible? No, you cut this 9. 9 by 8. Our answer 9 by 8. Which fraction is this? Improper fraction. First you convert improper into mixed. We divide this. Answer is 1 by 8. Understand you? Then how to solve the solving problems? Listen. Sonu bought 1/4 liter of milk. Sonu bought 1/4 liter of milk. She used 3/4 liter of milk. How much milk is left? Question, listen. Sonu bought 1/4 liter of milk. She used 3/4 liter of milk. How much milk is left? First, here question left come. What do you do? Subtract. First statement, solution. Sonu bought milk. Is equal to 1/4 liter. Second line, she used is equal to 3/4 liter. Then next question, how much milk is left? Left milk is equal to 1/4 minus 3/4. First you convert mixed into improper. 3 4 ja 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13/4 minus 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4. Now 13 by 4 minus 11 by 4. Look here, here the denominators are same. Here you find the LCM? No. Why? Because here the denominators are same. Now we direct subtract 13 minus 11 upon 4 is equal to 2 by 4. Okay. Our final answer 2 by 4 liter of milk left. Understand you? This also we cut in lowest term, also we cut this, go into table of 2, this one, this 2. Final answer 1 by 2. This we also this cut 1 and 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then next question. Rohit bought three 1 by kg of cake. Rohit bought 3 1 by 2 kg of cake. He ate 2 1 by 4 kg of cake. How much cake is left? Here Rohit bought 3 1 by 2 kg of cake. He ate, ate means eat, इसका past tense है ate, 2 1 by kg of cake. How much cake is left? Which word come here? Left. Therefore, this is subtraction. First, this solution. Rohit bought cake is equal to 3 1 by 2 kg. Then he ate cake is equal to 2 1 by 4 kg. Then left cake is equal to 3 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 4. Okay. First we convert this fraction into mixed into improper. 3 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 4. First we convert. 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2 minus 9 by 4. Now you look here, here the denominators are same? No. First you find the LCM. You find the LCM, LCM of 2 and 4. To come here 1, 2, again 2, 1, 1. LCM is equal to 4. Then LCM is equal to 4. Okay. Now 7 by 2 LCM divide by denominator, that is 4 divided by 2, you get 2. you multiply by numerator and denominator. Here 9 by 4, 4 divided by 4, you get 1, multiply by numerator and denominator. This is 14 by 4, here 9 by 4. Now you subtract this. 14 by 4 minus 9 by 4. Then 14 minus 9 by 4. You get 5 by 4. Which fraction is this? Which fraction this? This is improper. You convert this 1 by 4. Then our final answer is 1 by 4 kg of cake left. Understand you? I give some homework you. Question number 4, A to F of exercise 6.8 do in notebook. Okay, thank you.